AI isn't hard. The way people explain it is. So let's simplify one concept at a time. A hallucination is when an AI model gives you an answer that sounds confident but is completely wrong. Not because it's trying to lie, but because it's predicting patterns, not verifying facts. AI doesn't automatically know what's true or false. It generates the answer that best fits the pattern of your prompt, even if the details are incorrect. This is why sometimes AI makes up citations, adds fake numbers, invent facts, or gives very believable explanations that fall apart when you check them. Hallucinations happen more when your prompt is vague, when the model doesn't have the right context, or when you ask about something very specific that wasn't in its training data. The good news? Hallucinations are manageable. You reduce them by giving clearer instructions, providing your own data, using RAG, keeping prompts grounded, and asking the model to show sources or reasoning. Hallucination isn't a bug. It's a behavior that improves whenever you give AI the right structure and information. In the next video, we'll look at embeddings, the technology that helps AI understand meaning, similarity, and relationships between pieces of information. Once you master the foundations, the rest of AI becomes easy.